Exercise 10, levels. Right, once again I've opened the image and copied it up. If we go to image adjustment levels, right, what we can do here is we have a scale from 0 to 255, which gives us shades from black to white. This is our black adjustment here. So if we pull up our black adjustment, you'll see what happens to the image. We darken it. If we bring the white in, we make it whiter. Now look what happens to the tiger's face. And it makes it a lot more dramatic. So by simply adjusting the levels, we can make our image very dramatic. Let me just cancel that now, and we'll go. I'm going to copy this up another 3 times there. On the top layer now, we're going to go back to our image adjustment levels. Our channel is RGB. We're going to change it to red, and we're going to push up the red and see what happens. We get a red tone over our image. I'm going to say OK, close that eye, open the next one. The shortcut key for levels is Control L. Now we're going to go down to our green, and we're going to make it green. There we go. Close the eye, and we're going to now go back to our levels on the blue one, and we're going to give a blue tone to the image. So there we have it. Now if we want the green to come through, all we've got to do is we can just erase, or we can take our marquee tool and make a selection. So if I want to change a part of this, I can make my brush a bit bigger with the bracket keys and just drag down. And effectively all I've done is I've erased part of the top layer and made the next one visible. But now what I need to do is I need to merge my visible layers so I can carry on. So I right click and say merge visible, and now it has joined those two into one. We'll open the blue layer now, still working on the top one. Now I'll come and drag my eraser down this side, and you can see now we start bringing in the blue. And once again, if I want to, I can just merge the two visible layers. There we go. If I close that eye, I can go back to this one over here, and by pressing Control L for levels, we can now just make it dramatic again. You can see we have no black pixels here. They only really start over here. So we can take it to the highest peak. You see how nice and dark it is, and make our animal dramatic once again. There we go. That's what levels can do for your image. Play with them, get used to them. You're going to use them all the time. Thank you for watching.